Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to retarget and close deals using X Twitter ads. I'm Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. We've been running X ads for hundreds of clients for the last 4 years. That's what we do. We make sure you actually get results with X ads. Now, anyone can run an X ad, but if you do it right, you actually will get results. If you do it wrong, you say how awful it is. I share my screen, break it down. Feel free to speed up the speed here so we just knock it out if you're in a hurry, but I hope you copy and paste this and do it for you and your business. And if not, reach out to me. Comment tool down below if you want the tool I'm going to show you today on how to make these posts. You ready? Let's dive in. All right, so when we set up ads, we want to make sure we set up a top of funnel ad, and that's what this ad right here is doing. So you can see this post. I have over 1,500 comments, 174,000 views on it, and a ton of engagement. So people just said, I want this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into an ad, and I'm going to start showing this to a really broad audience. I want to really get their attention. And if somebody is interested in this and they stop and they like it, they retweet it, they bookmark it, or they comment, then I'm going to add them to a retargeting list to where I'm actually going to try to get them some education and get them to follow up, because not everyone signs up with you the first time they hear about you. You got to build relationships. You got to educate. You got to build value. So the first step, and you can watch the video before this where I really teach you how to set up the reach, the top of funnel. The next one for middle of funnel, we need to set up it as an engagement. And I've actually already set this up, so I'm going to skip ahead, but I just want you to show for middle of funnel, you want to try to get them to engage, learn from you, watch a video, and get educated. All right, so once you're in here and you're at engagement, I like to just call it middle of funnel, go on to the next step, and we're going to go right into the ad group details. Here, I like to call it the same thing, set my daily budget to retarget these people, and scroll down, just keep all of this the same, because none of this matters because you're just retargeting people that showed interest. You can actually add some other countries in here because maybe people from other countries saw that organic post and that they were interested. So I'm going to add United States, United Kingdom, and just a couple other ones where I know people show interest and are interested in our service here. So there we go. All right, so now that brought my audience up a little bit. It takes a little bit of time for this audience estimate to actually get caught up, because as you see in this post, I do have 174,000 people that engaged, 1,500 people that commented. So this number will start coming up. And what we want to do is start retargeting anyone. People who saw and engaged with your post. You can choose all engagement and then the post type. So what you could do is just do any organic post. So anyone that's shown interest in that organic post. Now for bottom of funnel, what you'll do is you'll come back here and you actually choose the campaign that you've been setting up. So you can come and choose these, and then you can know that you're retargeting people that actually specifically saw this ad. But for this middle of funnel, anyone that engaged with organic posts and also all of my followers, this will turn this to millions, but it's not targeted. We want to be super targeted and only spend our money to people that like us, care about us, and have already learned from us. So now we need to do a follow-up post. So we see that they were interested in this. So you want to continue making quality posts about the thing that went viral or about the thing you're running top of funnel on. So you can see I've got a couple posts here, a video, I've got this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go use this. Yesterday I went viral, little information. Then we go to this one, a video. And then what we want to do is create another ad, use existing ad, and we're going to go choose that ad that I just posted, maybe something where I'm talking about X ads. So I can go ahead and choose that. We want to add as many as we possibly can here. The more ads, the better. You can't change this. This is part of your organic posts. Continue adding as many posts as you can. You can change that to organic posts as well. So you can see I have this. I'm going to turn that one in as well. And the more, the better. Now somebody saw you for the first time. They commented, they engaged. Now they're going to start seeing more and more versions and similar versions to that thing. So they remember you, because most people won't remember you after the first post. So what we want to do is continue educating, continue providing value with our posts so they keep remembering you over and over and over. And then they're finally going to be able to say, oh yeah, that is the person that I commented on. That's the person that I've been learning from. That's the person that's been educating. Now I'll follow them. Now I'll engage. So that's really the key for X ads here. Then what we want to do is go over to our tool and we want to go to the content hub. And what we want to do is continue making high quality posts for X. And in these posts, you can grab your YouTube video and you can grab any descriptions like audio files, or you can just write out a post here. And you want to continue posting on a consistent basis 1 or 2 times a day. And then once you see a good post, get good traction, lots of comments, lots of engagement, wait 24 hours. come back to your middle of funnel. Okay, this post did really well. It did really well organically. I've got some likes, I got some comments. I'm going to go create another ad. I'm going to use existing. I'm going to go here and I'm going to choose that. And I'm going to say this one did well. I want to run this as middle of funnel and continue adding on to this every single day, every week. The more, the better. And then that's more ads that your followers are going to see. So they never forget and they actually want to hire you. Now, the next video, stay tuned, is going to talk about the bottom of the funnel, actually getting someone to convert. And if you want the full course where I break this down step by step, show you the best performing ads, make sure you comment tool down below. Somebody from my team will send you over the course, or you can just navigate over to our website here and you can go ahead, go to here, go to features, go to X ads. And if you fill out this form, I got a special offer for you so you can join my community. All right, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if this video brought you any value. And like I said, if you want to learn more about the other X ads and X videos I've taught on, check out this playlist here. And until then, I hope to see you on my next video.